to the zoo where the big trees grow slow. They giggle and chatter as they stroll along, ready for animals big and strong. Oh, Basit and Momo, what will you see? Lions that roar and the buzzing of bees, wobbling penguins and a kangaroo. Oh, what a day at the big bright zoo. The giraffe bends down to peek at them close. Mono laughs loud, says it looks like a hose. An elephant sprays with water so cool. Basit slips, giggles, falls right in the pool. Oh, Basit and Momo, what will you see? Tigers that pounce and pink flamingos free, swaying zebras and a laughing hyena. So many friends, it's a wild life.